How to fix Android contact name not showing in your incoming calls. For that, you can try this simple step and watch the video till the end. So you have to ensure your contact are synced properly. Open up your contact app on your phone. Once you have opened up your contact app on your phone, you have to tap on the menu icon or here you can see that. And here you have to select your account. And you have to make sure your Google account or whichever account you are using has been saved, and you have to choose now to sync in. So here you can see that I have already been synced into my account. Also, you have to set the permission. You have to go to the setting of your phone and scroll down, go for your app. Here on your app, go for your manage app and search for the phone here. And after searching for the phone, here you have to tap on the app permission. And here you have to just enable the all permission app of your phone services. Also, you can clear the phone app cache. And you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache here, which also solve the minor glitches. Also, you can enable the caller ID. You have to install the Truecaller from the Play Store and you can enable caller ID from that. Also, you can update your phone and contact app. Go and navigate to your setting and go for your system app updater, and if there is any update available, then you have to update your app here. Just go for the update option. If the problem continue with the specific contact, you can try deleting that contact and reading that contact in your contact app. Also ensure that if your do not disturb mode is enabled here, you have to turn this off. So if none of this method work, it's possible there could be a deeper software issue. In that case, contacting your manufacturer or checking for frame update may be helpful. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.